we're back. We got a Mazda MX-5. This was supposed to be the video that we've just done, but the Tesla pillar delete replaced that one. We've had a few issues with the material on this. This is this week's, we're back on it. This is our board, this is our reference chart. This is what is going to be happening. So it's a printed anime wrap on a transparent material. So it's kind of crazy. We've already done the other side. The roof. The bonnet as well, so you can see that quickly. It's kind of cool. We're going to be doing this side. We're going to talk you through the process of it and how we're doing it. We're actually putting some water on as well, some like slip solution underneath the wrap. You wouldn't normally do that with wrap, but the issues that we had last week and how it's drying and being applied, it's helping with some solutions. So I've spoken to a few people in the industry and they all actually recommended just put it on with a little bit of mist, and it's also drying out a lot clearer. Where this transparent, there's actually wrap on here, it doesn't actually look like there is. So we're going to be putting a little bit of water on as well as we go, so don't be like,
why is he putting water on? It's not PPF.
It's just one of those little techniques that we picked up and it seems to be helping with this material. Don't think 3M are going to like that, but hey ho, you got to do what you got to do. So yeah, let's get to it. We've printed it, it's laminated, it's outgassed, it's done everything that it's supposed to do, and yeah, here we go. This is what this is for. So we're basically just going to go through our checkpoints. So we've got a star here. I don't know if you can see it because I'm not looking at the camera. Put the star there, top of the wing, just over the crease. It'll probably go down a little bit, big wheel. Her hair is, that's good actually, that's in the right place. And the horn on the back of the horse, horsey or unicorn? Horsey. It goes into the light, so that needs to go up a fraction.
So I need to go down a fraction.
Happy days. So that's where it's going to go. So now we're just going to do some squeegeeing, some stretching. We're going to put some relief cuts in it, here, there and everywhere. And then once we've got it glassed out, then we can start squeegeeing it down. So the water, it helps with this here. So 3M say that after a set amount of time that it should just basically, even though you squeeze it down, you come in the next day and it'll be crystal clear, but it's not. So with the water under it, it seems to just work. So that's what we're doing. Warranty for the material was probably gone, but there we go, we know that. So hey ho. Let's get on with it. Hi there. How you doing?
This is my father.
Nice to see you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you think?
That's great.
Yeah? Is it sort of what you envisaged?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah? So that's an overlay, that's a sticker.
Oh, yeah.
So, like this bit here, that's an overlay.
Oh, yeah. The bonnet one is a whole one piece, and the bumper, the...
Take a few photos, yeah. Whilst it's nice and clean still. Willow, we're doing an end clip. At least turn around so they can see it. Well, that was the Mazda. That's all done. So it's been quite nice for you guys to see a handover. So yeah, they were extremely happy with the result. Been a long time coming. They've been booked in since September. Bless you. Yeah, that one's all done. Thanks for watching. This one's happening now. This is Ryan. This is his G-Wagon guy. This is his new Defender, box fresh family wagon, doing a sort of satiny black sort of sides and front wing type thing. Just had to make sure we're wrapping it the right colour because Big Will said it's not satin black. It's Avery Dennison, satin metallic black rock grey. Avery Dennison. Yeah, it's not easy to say, is it? And yeah, that's next week's video. So for once, we're ahead of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to work.